Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me Nambi. This is a Manipuri dish and the simplest of Eromba that you can make. Again, this recipe was a hand-me-down by one of my friends, and this is something that I would eat all the time as a side in their house. So let's go make it.
The ingredients required to make this dish are 3 medium-sized tomatoes, 3 medium-sized potatoes, 7 to 8 dried red chilies, 1 dried ghost pepper. If you can handle the heat, it's completely optional. 3 to 4 fermented fish and salt to taste. The recipe of the dish is really simple and it's very easy to prepare. To make this delicious dish, the first thing that we need to do is peel and cut the potatoes into large pieces. Pressure cook the potatoes along with dry red chilies and tomatoes for about 10 minutes. You can choose to use ghost pepper instead of regular dry red chilies. It imparts a beautiful flavor to the dish, but I cannot handle the heat, so I'm happy sticking to regular chilies. While the potatoes are in a pressure cooker, dry roast the fermented fish on a tava, and once fully done, gently wash them in a bowl of water. Fermented fish are very delicate, and washing them under running water or soaking them to wash is not advisable, as it will completely disintegrate. Once the pressure is released, fish out the pieces of potatoes, tomatoes and chilies into a bowl. The tomato skin can be removed easily, and once they're out, they are all set to be mashed. Okay, so I'm using the bottom of a tumbler to mash the potatoes. It's easier that way. The dry chilies are being so adamant, let me quickly pick them up and grind them into fine paste in the mixer grinder along with the fermented fish. Let's mash the potatoes and the tomatoes more finely. Once the chilies are ground into fine paste, the job gets very easy. Just mix the whole thing well and voila, your Eromba is ready. Thank you for watching. Hope you make this dish at home and enjoy a hearty meal. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. Bye bye.